yesterday morning let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans you made put an end to me. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. 'Cause I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days thought would never end. I've seen lonely times I could not find a friend, and my only hope was to see you again. Look down on me, Jesus, you gotta help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body is aching, my time is at hand. Just can't make it any other way. 'Cause I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days thought would never end. I've seen lonely times I could not find a friend, then my only hope was to see you again. Walking my mind to an easy time, back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. How's the time on the telephone line, talking about things to come, sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. 'Cause I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, and my only hope was to see you again.